Hello everyone, and welcome to DelphStack. If Microsoft Teams is failing to sign in and throwing the error tag 657RX, it is usually caused by corrupted cache credentials or an issue with your device's connection token to your organization. I will show you how to resolve this authentication issue right now. Let's get started. First, you need to sever the current connection between Windows and your organizational account, as this token is likely corrupted. Open your Windows settings, navigate to Accounts, and select Access Work or School. Find the account you use for Teams, click on it, and Access Work or navigate to it. Open your Windows settings, navigate to Accounts, and select Access Work or School. Find the account you use for Teams, click on it, and select Disconnect. Keep in mind that doing this might temporarily sign you out of other Microsoft 365 applications like Word or Excel, so make sure any active work is saved before you confirm the prompt. Next, we need to clear out the old authentication data that is causing the login conflict behind the scenes. Press your Windows key, type Credential Manager, and open the Control Panel app. Click on the Windows Credentials tab to view your saved local data. Scroll through the list and click Remove on any entry that contains Microsoft, Office, or Teams. This is a highly effective method to clear out bad data, though depending on your system setup, you may need to manually re-enter your passwords for other Microsoft services afterward. Finally, restart your computer to ensure all background processes are completely terminated and the old tokens are flushed out. Once you are back on your desktop, open the Microsoft Teams application and enter your standard login credentials. When Windows asks if you want to allow my organization to manage my device or use this account everywhere on your device, you can often prevent future token loops by selecting No, sign in to this app only, especially if you are troubleshooting on a personal computer. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.